Did you know Joan of Arc's trial was one of history's most shocking legal scams? The 19-year-old peasant girl who terrified England faced judges secretly paid by her enemies. They tried her for witchcraft first, but couldn't make it stick. This teenager was outsmarting university-trained theologians at every turn, so they switched tactics, charging her with cross-dressing instead. Here's the twisted part. This was only punishable by death if you relapsed after confessing. They promised to spare her life if she admitted guilt and wore women's clothes. She agreed, thinking she'd live. But while she slept in prison, they secretly switched her clothes back to men's garments. When she woke up wearing them, they screamed relapse and sentenced her to death. The English were so terrified of her influence, they burned her body 3 times. They wanted absolutely nothing left for followers to turn into holy relics. A teenage farm girl had scared an entire empire into rigging justice itself.